Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and must be utilizing your time in fruitful activities. Dear students, today we are going to start a very independent and tricky part of speech, that is preposition. Let me first explain what is a preposition. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns or phrases to other words within a sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, time and location of a sentence. They are usually short words and normally placed directly in front of nouns. We use preposition in a sentence naturally without even thinking about it. The interesting fact about preposition is that unlike verbs and nouns, no new words are added to this group over time. Yet they are vitally important to the meaning of language. Some examples of a common preposition used in sentences are: she was hiding under the table, he drove over the bridge, the book belongs to Ali, let's hope for the best. Now open up your English grammar book at page number 159. Have you opened your books? I am going to read out the sentences from the book. Underlined words are followed by appropriate prepositions. You don't need to learn the word, you will learn the preposition only. Keep the pencils with you to write the meanings of the difficult words. Should I take a start? Our first sentence is: players must abide by the rules of the game. Abide by means to obey. Here, by is the preposition. Second sentence is: he was absent from school. He was accused of theft. Sentence number 4 is: you must act upon the advice of your teacher. Sentence number 5, I agree with you in this matter. Here with is preposition. She was angry at my behavior. Angry at. They were angry with me. Here with is preposition. He will appear before the judge. It means he will face the judge in the court. Appear before means to face. Sentence number 9. The train arrived at Lahore station in time. You should be ashamed of your behavior. She assured me of her help. He was not aware of my difficulties. The children were begging for alms. Muslims believe in the oneness of Allah. These books belong to her. Sentence number 16. A son was born to her. He was born in a rich family. He does not care for me. He is very careful about his health. Careful about. The teacher made a complaint against his son. Sentence number 21. He has no confidence in his parents. Sentence number 22. She was confident of her success. She congratulated me on my success. He is not conscious of his weakness. They have no control over their son. Pakistan is very dear to us. Dear to. The whole family depends on her for its living. Depends on. This letter was delivered to me only yesterday. Delivered to. Sentence number 29. He died of cancer. Whenever somebody dies because of any disease, we use preposition of. He died of cancer. Sentence number 30. We should always be prepared to die for our country. I could not dream of these comforts. He is eligible for this post. Eligible for. She was engaged to a rich man. He is entitled to these facilities. Entitled means having a right to something. Having a right to something. Entitled to. This angle is equal to that. Pinky failed in mathematics. We must have faith in Allah. Faith in. And they are faithful to her. Sentence number 39. Lahore is famous for its historical buildings. I feel for the poor. We must fight for the basic human rights. Fill in the blanks with the suitable prepositions. The police opened fire at the demonstrators. Fire at the demonstrators. She is fond of reading novels. Fond of. Please forgive him for his misbehavior. Sentence number 46. The basket was full of flowers. She was glad at her success. I am grateful to you for your kindness. Grateful to. I was grieved at his loss. Grieved means sad. Grieved at. He was guilty of stealing. Guilty means a person who commits a crime. Guilty of. What has happened to him? I was sorry to hear about his sad death. We must always hope for the best. Hope for. And there is hardly any hope of her recovery from illness. Sentence number 55. She is not ignorant of her shortcomings. This sentence means she did not know of her drawbacks. Clear? Sentence number 56. She is incapable of doing any harm to anybody. I am inclined to believe her. Inclined means having tendency. Her name was not included in the list of prize winners. She is indebted to Shabana for her guidance. Indebted means grateful. He is indifferent to all kinds of advice. Indifferent means uninterested. They were informed of my expected arrival. Smoking is injurious to health. She takes no interest in studies. Her mother had an interview with the principal. You are very intimate with him. Intimate means very close. She introduced me to her friends. She invited her friends to her wedding. Invited to. Do not be jealous of others. He is junior to me in age. Hard work is the key to success. Key to. We must be kind to children. I knocked at the door several times. Sentence number 73. Do not laugh at anybody. This road leads to Shalimar Gardens. Leads to. She delivered a lecture on interior decoration. She has a special liking for this dish. Liking for. Please listen to me. Listen to. He is loyal to the country. The chair is made of wood. She was married to her cousin. He is negligent in his work. Negligent means careless. He did not object to my proposal. I am obliged to you for your help. This is a good opportunity for him. They are opposed to each other. These lines are parallel to each other. He will not part with his wealth. Women are very particular about their dress. You must be patient with the patient. Sentence number 90. You must have pity for the poor. He is polite in his behavior to others. She is very popular with her pupils. We should pray to Allah for success. Pray to. I prefer to walk instead of going by bus. Sentence number 95. We should be prepared for the worst. The headmaster presented books to the chief guest. She takes pride in her work. Pride in. He has made a lot of progress in his studies. It is not proper for you to behave in this manner. He is proud of his scholarship. He was punished for stealing. I hope he will recover from his illness rapidly. The matter was referred to the headmaster. Referred to. I have great regard for your feelings. I am related to her. He always relies on his own efforts. He sent a reply to my letter after a long time. He got 4 seats reserved for us in Tezgam. He has no respect for his elders. He will retire from service next year. I am satisfied with her progress in the class. Please sent for the doctor immediately. Sent for means to call. I was shocked at the news of the accident. Shocked at. I am sorry for what I have done. This building is not suitable for residence. She is sure of her success. I am surprised at your behavior. We sympathize with you in your bereavement. Bereavement is loss of a relative by death. I have no taste for music. I am thankful to you for your kindness. Trust in Allah and do the right. He is unfit for this job. She is weak in mathematics. What do you wish for? He works in this office. Students, these prepositions are usually very tricky. So, learn them attentively and carefully. It was all for today. You have to learn all the prepositions by heart. Take care. Allah Hafiz.